Okay, here we go, one of our last lessons. We're going to be solving exponential equations. But in order to do that, we need to know about logs a little bit more. So if you have a log with a base number and then an argument number equaling something, like we really can't plug that into a calculator, so we have to use what's called the change of base formula. And to do that, we're going to change everything to a log with a base of 10. And that's just the common log. So when you actually go look at your calculator, the log button right here is the common log. There's no base that you can plug in there. So when we do this, the log base 5 of 125 is going to equal log 125 divided by log 5. We're assuming the base is 10. So when I go to my calculator, I'm going to type log of 125, close my parentheses, divided by the log of 5, close my parentheses, and I'm going to get a numerical answer. Okay, again, when I go to plug this into my calculator, I want to make sure I close my parentheses, and I'm going to get a number, and that's what I'm going to use today to actually solve these exponentials. So first and foremost, you want to get the exponent by itself, so anything outside needs to move. So like on this first one, we're going to go ahead and subtract 6 because I don't want that. I want the exponent by itself. So I have the log 2x minus 5 equals 24. I'm going to turn this into a log now that the exponent is by itself. So remember, I'm going to move it over. And this is where the calculator comes in. Like, this is a number right here, but I don't know what number it is. And so when I go to my calculator, I'm going to type log 24 divided by log 2. So opening that, log 24, close my parentheses, divided by log 2, close it, enter. It's a decimal, and a lot of these are going to be decimals, and that's okay. I want you to round to 2 decimal places, so this will be 4.58. So I'm going to say x minus 5 equals 4.58. Obviously, I still need to move the 5. And I'm going to get x equals 9.58. So again, get the exponent by itself, turn it into a log, change your base, and boom. So if I want to get this exponent by itself, I have multiplying by 7, so I'm going to divide by 7. I'm going to take 840 and divide by 7, which I don't know off the top of my head. It's 120. My exponent is by itself. There's nothing surrounding this exponential. I'm going to change it into a log. So 3x equals log 2 of 120. I'm going to change my base, so that's log 120 divided by log of 2. Go to my calculator. Again, it's probably going to be a decimal, and that is okay, 2 decimal places. This would be 6.91. The 6 is going to round up, 6.91. So 3x equals 6.91. There's still something by x. Divide by 3. X is going to equal 6.91 divided by 3, which is 2.30. Again, you're going to get the exponent by itself, so I don't want anything surrounding it. So I'm going to move anything around it using the opposite. 21. I'm going to change it into a log, so bring it down. Log base 4 of 21. Use your change of base so you can actually type this in the calculator. So log 21 divided by log of 4. I'm going to go to my calculator and type that in. .19. Oh, this is going to round up. So that's actually 2.2 2, add 3, x equals 5.2. Again, get your exponent by itself in order to correctly do this. Divide by 10. I still don't have the exponent by itself. I gotta multiply by 2. Turn it into a log. Change my base. Log 72 divided by log 3. $3.89. Divide by 2. 1.95. Follow your order of operations, right? Since this has multiplication and addition around it, I'm going to subtract first. Divide by 2. 54 divided by 2 is 27. Turn it into a log. 3 of 27. Change the base. I already know this is 3, but log 27 divided by log 3. Oops. And 3. 5x equals 3. X equals 3/5. So feel free to watch this video again. That was awful quick. I went rather fast because I know you guys can pause it and rewatch it. If you have questions, we'll go over them Monday. Otherwise, have a great week.